Got a new package from Amazon. This should be my new chainsaw. Box looks a little worse for wear, but it should be fine once I open it up. Usually they double box these, so let's check it out and see. So they actually didn't double box this one, but it has got quite a bit of craft paper and foam, so should be alright. This was a deal on Amazon. It was $149, I believe, for this. It's a Neotec chainsaw. Came with a 22-inch bar. Here's the power head. It was a 68cc. Normally these were $199, I believe. So it was like $50 off. Yeah, I posted a link to this. So anybody was interested could get it. I'll post it again.
There's a chain brake, the manual. Give you some gloves. And here is what they're using for bar oil. It's just a 10W30 oil. Yeah, so they include this with it too. There's a little tool bag they give you. Let's go ahead and look at the power head. Try and unwrap this thing. So there's this is the Neotec NCS 6800. Very much looks like a Husqvarna kind of. This it is a Zenoa clone. The crankcase is metal, although it's painted gray. It kind of looks like plastic, especially online when you're looking at it. This very much resembles the bigger Husqvarna saws, like maybe the newer 572 XP Husqvarna, but it is a Zenoa clone. You can see that's metal, but it's painted gray. Neotec is known for making Husqvarna and steel clones, and orange and gray is kind of their color scheme that they copied from Husqvarna. Here's the back of the saw. So let's go ahead and look at the air filter, see if I can get this off. It's not wanting to come off. What's going on here? Now it just keeps spinning. I don't know. Maybe I can't get it off. There's a primer bulb in the back. It's got the choke in the back. There's a run stop switch. And that switch is actually spring loaded, so it stays in the run position, then you push it off and then it springs back to run position. A lot of these Zenoa clones will have like a cheap metal toggle switch. This is actually kind of upgraded premium. It's got just a simple choke switch, but it feels pretty good. Let's see if we can get this air filter off again. Come on. There we go. I finally got it off. So there's the air filter. It's a premium paper air filter. Very much looks like something you would probably find on like a Husqvarna chainsaw. Very good quality, you know, premium air filter. Now this is a bigger saw. It's a 68cc. So looks like very good quality. You look at the muffler there. That's a 3-port muffler. Usually you'll find these on the bigger Zenoa clones, you know, the ones that are 68cc or so. And there's some that are all the way up to 78 or 98cc that they allegedly claim are that high. But you can see this crankcase is metal, even though it's painted gray. It kind of resembles plastic. But you can tell it's very much a Zenoa clone.